Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is part 2 video of MUSCAT City. Watch it and enjoy. Cave restaurant of Muscat is the largest caves in the world built by humans. It is located on Mount Darset of Muscat. It has 3 floors of total area of 7,000 square meters. It has international cuisine like Italian, Spanish, Brazilian, Mexican, Moroccan, Lebanese and Asian food. Sheraton is a 5-star hotel in Muscat. It has opened in 1985 but shut down for renovation for a decade. It reopened in late 2016. It has 230 rooms available. This is one of the top retail malls, 10 minutes from Muscat Airport. It has a colorful hut market, 3,000 car parking spaces, dancing fountains, and various outdoor and indoor food terraces. Muscat is a blend of entertaining and soothing things to do. Guba Lake Park is one of that belongs to soothing category. As you reach the end of the walking path, you are greeted with embracing view of the sea. This is the other side of the park where you get a great sea view. Set amid a picturesque landscape, Holiday in Muscat's Old SEEB is a few minutes drive from airport. It is a 4-star hotel. This is an one-stop shopping mall for the latest in clothing, dining and entertainment. This is managed by Majid Al Futtaim Group. This highway is having wide tracks and having 3 lanes on each side. It is quite neat and clean, and a lot of trees are being planted on both sides of the highway. This office opened on March 25th of 2019, and it is quite a beautiful building, as you can see. This is one of the posh area of Muscat, and it has many Arabic style buildings available here in this area. This is one of the landmark buildings of Muscat. This is a newly opened mall in Muscat, and it has Oman Aquarium, which is the largest aquarium in Middle East. See the detailed walkthrough video of this mall in my channel. Designed by Greg Norman, the course of Almost Golf provides a challenging 18 holes of varying length and configuration. The course is 7,342 yards in length. Breathtaking view of Sea of Oman and the Al-Hajar mountains are visible from everywhere on the course. MARKAJ Al-BAHJA is one of the most visited shopping malls in Muscat. It gives an unforgettable shopping experience for any customer. So if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.